Hi and welcome back. We're looking at pitch 4 under 21's women's game, Australia versus Thailand. Both teams are lining up. We're about to start. Australia reaching the ball first. Immediately going for their first attack. Thailand in a 1-3-1 defense. Thailand has quite young players. Their age is ranging from 13 till 19. First shot on the goal, over, ball for Thailand. On paper, we expect Australia to win. Australia has won before from China with 23-0. While Thailand was really struggling against China and lost. Here you can see a little bit a bad pass, ball for Australia. Shot from Australia. First goal, number 6, Cochrane. An attack from Thailand, coming in with speed. But again, a little fumbling while trying to pass to each other. If Australia is sharp and reacting quickly, they could easily intercept the ball. Australia is choosing for a 1-2-2 defense, which is a little bit more easy to get the ball. But now Australia got the ball by the ref. A foul was made by Thailand. Ball for Australia. Is Australia fast enough? Going for the fast break, taking the shot. Oh, hitting off the top bar. Thailand in ball possession. In this group, both Australia and Chinese Taipei have 9 points, but the goal difference is bigger for Australia, so Australia is currently first. A long shot. Oh, nice! Unexpected goal from Thailand. Scored by number 2. Su Tan. Australia attacking, getting relatively easily in the Taiwan defense. A foul made. Oh, a little bit of discussion among the refs, but the main ref is saying ball for Thailand. That's good why we have 2 refs. It's difficult to see what's happening, so we have the ref from both sides to get the best view possible. Sometimes they don't agree, and sometimes we see that the refs take a break to talk about what's happening, trying to give the best and most fair play to the players. It must be hard work being a ref now, being out in the sun. It's quite warm. As a player, maybe less noticeable. It's nice to do a water sport with these days. Ball for Australia. A long pass in for Australia. Play on, play on. A shot, yes! Goal by number 7. Steal. Thailand presenting the ball. Thailand seems to struggle to get through the Australian defense. Oh, ball passed directly in Australian hands, but then a pass from Australia directly in the hands of Thailand. Australia giving a little bit of space there to Thailand, but number 3 from Thailand, Huzhou, seemed a little bit insecure about what to do with the ball. Taking a shot, but a quite weak shot. Australia in ball possession. Number 5, Barkley struggling to take the ball with her, but luckily picked up by one of her teammates. A shot from Australia, blocked by Thailand. A pass from Thailand didn't get to their team players. A shot by Australia, number 6, shooting over Cochrane. A long shot from Thailand. Ooh, hitting the top bar, hitting the low bar, and going out again. Very good attempt. This is so far a far more exciting game than I expected. Australia in ball possession. Taking a shot, yes! Number 5, Barkley for Australia. Australia 3, Thailand 1. A timeout. Number 4 getting a card for use of her pedal. Pushing with her pedal. So number 4 of Thailand has a green card, meaning 4 players from Thailand versus 5 from Australia. And continuing with this game. Australia 3, Thailand 1. But on the pitch, Thailand was down to 4 women. Australia not taking advantage of this. A shot by Soita Sas, but missing. Ball for Thailand. Australia puts 1 woman on the goal and going 4 out, increasing pressure. And immediately it's paying off. Ball for Australia. Another attempt by number 4, Soitsas, and this time in the goal. 4 for Australia, 1 for Thailand. Thailand going in with 3 women in the zone. But don't seem very convinced. They seem a little bit hesitant and unsure of how to proceed. A shot by number 6, Promlaksa, not hitting the goal. Ball for Australia. Australia coming over the left side and taking the shot. Goal number 5, Barkley. Making goal number 5 for Australia. 1 for Thailand. One minute left on the clock. Thailand in ball position. Thailand back with 5. A long shot trying to surprise Australia. Oh, corner. The ball has been touched. Corner for Thailand. 40 seconds left on the clock. Only half a minute left in this game. Thailand passing, but it was a little bit too high. But managing to get ball back in ball possession. Oh no, not ball possession for Australia. 10 seconds left on the clock. Can they make a shot before the time is over? 5 seconds left. They have to shoot now. 2, 1. And yes, the refs are signaling the ball left the hand before the shot was taken. I was a little bit unsure, but the refs seem to agree. This means an extra goal for Australia going into the break with 6 for Australia, 1 for Thailand. Well done, Australia. Be right back with you after the break.
你的通话离近点，你说给了我听见，我听见给别人给另一队，我听你那儿卡了，我说卡了，服了。 好了没？
Hi and welcome back. We went into the break with a goal from Australia in really literally the last second. Australia 6, Thailand 1. For Australia, we've won number 1, Milevska, number 2, Hevet, number 3, Hammer, number 4, Soitza, number 5, Barkley, number 6, Cochrane. Ball for Australia, Thailand defending. For Thailand, we have number 1, Sutiman, number 2, Sutan, number 3, Wolo, number 4, Bangdeng, number 5, Tongpon, number 6, Frumlaska, number 7, Ungshum Wang, and number 8, Padam Hon. And we just saw a goal from number 3 from Australia, Harmer. 7 for Australia, 1 for Thailand. Thailand coming in with a little bit more speed this time, but being immediately stuck on Australian defenders. Australia defender number 1, Miliveska, leaning her boat a little bit to the right, making sure her left side comes up, and then it's very hard to pass because you have to paddle upwards. That's it's pretty hard to come past that point, especially if you don't have a lot of speed anymore. And using this tactic good in her defense. Play on, a new 60 seconds from the ref. Australia having a very wide 1-3-1. But Australia doesn't want, Thailand doesn't want to continue this attack. Taking a long shot, ball for Australia. A pass to number 1, and a shot, spinning off the top bar. Ball is still in. Australia working hard to make theirs, but it's a little bit too late. Ball for Thailand. I want to take this time to thank our sponsors: International Canoe Federation, China Canoe Association, Huzhou City, Deqing County, Yupin Sports, Yukong Group, Letour Sports, and Kailas Group. Furthermore, we have BD Auto, Braca Sports, Alibaba Cloud, Don Sprint, Iron Master, K Ford, Playtex, Osa Dry Park, Nelo Kayaks, Hao Boats, Peisheng Boats, Kailas Group, and Shebon Beverage, Yun Lebo, Sydney Sports, Oakley, Mr. Kyung, and Hyung Pharmaceuticals. Thank you so much for your support for this beautiful event in Deqing City, County in China. We're playing on a lake in the middle of the city, and we're looking at the under-21s women's game, Australia versus Thailand. And you just saw another goal by Hammer, making number 8 for Australia, 1 for Thailand. Sending 2 women into the zone. A foul. New 60 seconds for Thailand. A long shot from Thailand again, and in the goal, amazing! Number 2 scoring for Thailand. Soon Tan, 8 for Australia, 2 for Thailand. That must be a good feeling. We saw her smiling, but now back onto the goal. Soon Tan. Australia trying to force themselves into the Thai defense, having opportunity and scoring. Havet giving an answer immediately to the Thai goal. Australia 9, Thailand 2. .25 seconds left on the clock. But Australian getting the ball. And are sprinting towards the goal from Thailand. Havet taking the ball. Passing. Ooh, not a very good pass, but number 5 taking the shot. Barkley. Hitting a pedal, almost going into the goal. A foul made. Taking a shot. Seems to be in. But disallowed because a foul was made before. Ball for Thailand. Thailand trying to make room in Australian defense. 1 woman into the zone. Now 4 around. They seem to struggle a little bit with clean passes, meaning passing directly into the hand or where you place them. The passes are often just a little bit off, giving Australia opportunity to come into ball position. A long pass forward. Number 7. Passing into the zone. Number 3 taking the shot. Blocked by Thailand. Corner for Australia. A long shot hitting the top bar. Passing into the zone. A shot from number 6. Hit by Thailand. Corner for Australia. A foul made by Australia. Ball for Thailand. We saw just goalkeeper number 5 splashing some water in her face. It's a very hot day, but she seems to be awake, blocking a goal attempt from Thailand. Ball for Australia. Thailand were trying to return immediately to their defense, but not actively putting pressure on Australia. A nice shot from Meluska. Australia 10, Thailand 2. A good option is if the opponent recovers the ball, to put pressure on the player with the ball, so they can't make the long pass to the players going for the fast break. That's something Thailand doesn't do so much. They immediately try to return to their goal defending it, but don't thereby losing a little bit the overview of the pitch and giving Australia opportunity to pass around quickly and going for it. Ball for Australia. A pass, a shot blocked by Thailand. Thailand in a dangerous situation directly under the goal, but foul made by Australia, giving Thailand the ball again. Here we can see where Australia still puts a little bit of pressure on Thailand as soon as they lose the ball, giving her teammates opportunity to return to their goal without having a fast break happening for Thailand. And this is something Thailand might want to work on. But they're still young. I mean, they're only ages 13 till 19. So a lot of growing opportunity there. Ball for Thailand. Ref signaling number 6 of Australia. Another foul might be punished with a green card. Australia in ball position once more. A long shot to the front. 2 against 2. Working together, a long shot because the goalie wasn't ready. Nice goal by Havet for Australia. 11 for Australia, 2 for Thailand. Only 1 minute left to play. Little bit of confusion, and Thailand taking their time to get the ball to the middle line. Australia doesn't want to wait so long. Putting pressure, 4 out. Also giving a lot of room to Thailand. But they don't seem to be able to take advantage of that. Australia on her own, still going for the goal. Being very careful, extra pass for herself, and yes, paying off. 12 for Australia, 2 for Thailand. Well done, Abby Steele, captain of the team. Only half a minute left. Australia seems eager to score one more. Still continuing the 4 out. Foul made by Australia. Thailand, can they use this time to score? 10 seconds left. They have to work towards a shot. 5 seconds left. Australia blocking. 3, 2, 1. That was it. Time is up. We're ending this game with 12 for Australia, 2 for Thailand. Thank you so much for watching. On this pitch, next a break. Please switch because a lot of exciting games happening in the other pitches. Thank you so much for watching.